How to use ChatGPT ads feature opt-out 2026. As of February 2026, OpenAI has introduced advertisements for free users and lower-tier Go subscribers in the United States, displaying sponsored product cards and links at the bottom of the conversation. You can manage this experience by opting out of ad personalization, deleting ad data, or choosing an ad-free experience, sometimes in exchange for lower messaging limits. Now, if you want to opt out, you want to open up ChatGPT and you want to go to settings. Once you head into settings, what you want to do is you want to head into ad control section that you shall find. You can head into it and you can proceed to opt out of ads. However, if you do not find that particular feature, what you can also do is you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus if you are constantly getting the ads and such. The ad feature is only enabled in US currently, so in my region I'm not getting any ads, but it should pretty much roll out to every other service as well. But that is how you can disable personalized ads. Go to settings, go to ad controls and toggle off personalized ads. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.